Number 1002 is a custom 10-foot wide cabinet, built 36 inches high and 18.5 inches deep. 4 sets of shaker-style doors provide enclosed storage, while the long open cubbies keep everyday items within easy reach. The center opening is sized for a refrigerator, and the white painted base is finished with a dark wood top. Built to fit a specific space, this project shows how practical storage and a clean, furniture-style look can work together. Custom furniture, built for your space, from Bechtold Woodworks.